witness to fill their empty eyes. Rest. Every moment of weakness, who is there unashamed, who will dare to make.
May part na ibang ito dito sa kanila. So, may
Yung
part.
soprano ba yun?
Oh, soprano sila. May part na iba yung tuloy.
Ay, alto kami.
For some happiness to fill their empty eyes. Everyone is a witness who will stand unashamed, who will dare to make a difference, who will go in Jesus' name.
Sabi ni Sis Rachel, sabi ni Pastor Luis, nasa
level lang, tataas.
yung kung ano yung, di ba, they're searching for some happy to feel their empty eyes.
Ano nun din?
Everyone is a witness.
Sabi niya,
Basta,
normal na lang
normal
yan.
na lang.
Sige,
Huwag ka natin itaas.
So, kaya pinaka-climax nyo na lang, yung sagutan na lang, nakakanta ka, tapos magpaas sila.
Yun na lang po.
Parang normal na rin. Hindi na talaga kinaya ito na. Kasi hindi na
kaya.
Makaya na.
Yun mo na lang.
Everyone is a witness who is there unashamed, who will dare to make a difference, who will go in Jesus' name. I am called to make a difference in a world that needs to change. I'm called to be a spokesman for the name above all names. Called to bear the cross of Christ, called to give Him all my life. I will give my Lord a chance, and I will wait. Yes, I will.
Sila lang mag-yes.
Okay.
Diba? So, iba yung tono niya, iba yung tono niya sa kanila. Mas mataas.
I-stop po
May
sa
part na
ulitin ko.
mataas kayo, may part na